This assignment is called Password Protected Document. Go ahead and open up the document, and it's a Word document, and occasionally you may get something that contains confidential information, and what will happen is whoever's sending it to you will send you as an attachment, but when you go to open it, it'll require a password. Usually in a second email, they'll give you the password to the previous email so that you can then go and open it. It's for security purposes. So to actually save this document and put a password attached to it, what you do is click File and then Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password, and you're going to actually type it twice, once to create it and the second to confirm it. I'm going to have everyone type their first name and type it in all lowercase because it is case sensitive. So I'm going to type my first name and then click OK and then type it again. And use your full first name. Don't use a nickname because I'm not sure what you'll be using, so we'll go with your full name and then OK. And then go ahead and save it. You can call it Password Protected. And then I'm going to close, File Close, and I'm back in Word. I'm going to File, Open, and it should be a recent document. I just did it, so I'll choose it today. And it shouldn't open unless I put in the password, which is my first name. Once that works, go ahead and save and submit it to me. Thank you.